In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh, rekindle, or resharpen one of these carborundum stones. Now this one I inherited in my late uncle's things, and it's clearly well used. There's this major groove down the center. I don't know the history of the stone, but it still has a lot of life left in it if we can refresh it. So what I'm going to do is just use another stone of any type. In this case, this is a diamond stone. I hit it with a little bit of water and just start to grind. And while I would love to tell you that there is a magic potion for refreshing one of these stones, there is. It's called elbow grease. And if you want to reuse one of these old stones and bring it back to life, the reality is you just need to put some time in. So basically, that's it. A couple of tips here though. Use water or a cleaner, a mild cleaner of some sort, to continually clean off your stone, both the one you are refreshing as well as the one you're grinding on. Now in this video, I'm controlling the stone with one hand. It would definitely be more efficient to actually clamp down the stone you're grinding against so that you can put two hands on the stone itself. Continually clean off the stone, ideally with a spray bottle, but also under a sink or water of any kind. Especially early in the process when we're looking for a more coarse grind, I find that keeping that stone clean is really helpful. Later, if you're going for a finer stone, having that slurry and that dampness with the ground material is actually really helpful to get a really nice polish for finer stones. As we continue to work down, we can clean off and keep an eye on in this case, that groove that we're trying to get below. So remember that anytime we sharpen anything, whether that's a knife or an axe, or in this case, this stone, we're losing material. So this is shortening the life of the overall item. In this case, a sharpening stone. We're just shaving off material. Consider donating a few minutes here or there to this process. The reality is refreshing this stone took probably 2 to 2.5 hours of actual grinding. That's without breaks of any kind. 2 to 2.5 hours of actual grinding to bring the stone back to life. And each time, we can see as we remove that face on the coarse side that groove gets shallower and narrower. We're not there yet, but you can see that the stone is clearly already in better shape than it was. 2 hours later, here we are.